Best Practices for Axie Infinity Ronin Bridge tutorial is a comprehensive guide that helps users navigate the process of transferring assets between the Ethereum mainnet and the Ronin sidechain. To start, it is essential to understand the basics of the Ronin bridge, which is a critical component of the Axie Infinity ecosystem. The Ronin bridge is designed to facilitate the transfer of assets, including Axies, SLP, and AXS, between the Ethereum mainnet and the Ronin sidechain. The first step in using the Ronin bridge is to ensure that you have a MetaMask wallet installed and configured to interact with the Ethereum mainnet. Next, you need to add the Ronin network to your MetaMask wallet, which can be done by clicking on the network drop-down menu and selecting Custom RPC. You will then need to enter the Ronin network details, including the RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol. Once you have added the Ronin network to your MetaMask wallet, you can proceed to bridge your assets from the Ethereum mainnet to the Ronin sidechain. To do this, go to the Ronin Bridge website and connect your MetaMask wallet. Select the asset you want to bridge and enter the amount. Then confirm the transaction. The bridging process typically takes a few minutes to complete, depending on the network congestion. Best practices for using the Ronin bridge include ensuring that you have sufficient ETH for gas fees, double-checking the asset details before confirming the transaction, and being aware of the bridging limits and fees. It is also essential to keep your MetaMask wallet and Ronin bridge account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these best practices and steps, you can safely and efficiently transfer your assets between the Ethereum mainnet and the Ronin sidechain using the Ronin bridge.